Alright, so braces and bottom of the deck is complete. We put on, it's looking good, looking good. Okay, so all the boards are down. We got some posts that we need to get, but now, and I also put those 4x4 railing holders up, so we are very close to being done. A long project because I kept on doing something else every other weekend, but it's coming together. I think we're gonna stain it gray. I think that's what my mom wants, but we shall see what actually happens. But we are getting very, very close to having 100% completed deck. Took me a lot longer than I expected, like I said, because I have had other projects I had to get through, but I'm pleased about where it's turning out to be.